Hey, what's on guys, it's Made here, and in this tutorial we will show you how to SFTP into your server. So in this tutorial we are going to use the FileZilla client. So you want to head to your server, and you want to go to the configuration and then SFTP settings. In this page you're going to find the connection address and the username right here, which are needed to connect to your server. So in this case, you want to head out to FileZilla. You want to go to the site manager. You want to click this up, and then you want to make a new site. So the site we're going to call it tutorial server. That should be easy. We're going to choose the SFTP protocol. You must do that, or else it wouldn't work. So we will copy the connection address right here, and the port is 2022, obviously, as seen here, and the connection should be normal. The username should be this one, as shown. The password must be your Prism panel's password and not your billing password. There are difference between them, unless you set them up like that. So since I will enter the password now. Once the password is entered, you want to click on OK. So once you saved it all, you want to go to your site manager again and then double click on tutorial. This will automatically sign you into your SFTP, and you should access all your files without any issues. So if you want to upload a world or edit a file, this is how you do it. So if you want to upload a world, for instance, you just drag and drop it right here, and it will upload all the files that are needed. So in this case, I'm going to just skip it, everything, ignore it, since I already did that. For instance, if you want to download the file from your server to your desktop, you just drag and drop it right here, and then that will upload it to the folder. Or if you want to edit the files easily without downloading anything really, you want to right click and view or edit. This will open the default editor of yours. In this case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. I highly recommend using it. Here are the default commands with your server. Once you save something here, for instance, you want to close this out, and you want to click on yes to save the changes. So this is basically same for other FTP clients. In this case, we are using FileZilla because it's the easiest one and it's the simplest one, obviously. So yeah, that's how you FTP into your server. I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial, and cheers.